Easy use of Tableau Writeback Extensions with the M2 Form Builder. Good day! You are interested in our Tableau Writeback solution, the M2 Form Builder. Therefore, we present in a short video how this Writeback extension looks like in a Tableau dashboard. And we show you how you can easily integrate these extensions into your dashboards using the M2 Form Builder. If you want to talk to us personally, you will find on our website m2dot.com the option to make a demo appointment or a fixed personal date. Just fill out the form and we will get back to you with a proposed date. But now I would like to show you very briefly what you can use the Form Builder for. Here you can see a demo dashboard we developed with Tableau. The dashboard is published on the Tableau server. Now I want to change selected contents of the dashboard and perhaps comment on them. You highlight the transaction and can override the value you see on the dashboard with another value. In addition, you can also add a comment. Now, when you press the Submit button, you will see that the dashboard refreshes automatically. This means what you have entered is immediately shown on the dashboard without the need to manually trigger a refresh. Also, your comment can be seen when you select the transaction. So you have the ability to change values and display them in real time on the dashboard. In addition, you can add comments. These and more possibilities are offered by Tableau Writeback Extensions. My colleague, Simon Klimke from the technology team, will now show you how the whole thing works in the back end. In other words, he will show you how you can create a form like the one I just showed you and easily integrate it into your Tableau dashboard. He will introduce you to our Tableau Toolbox, which includes the M2 Form Builder with an example. For this I take our sustainability dashboard. As a consumer, I can compare my personal purchasing data with the purchasing behavior of other people. To do this, we developed a dashboard where you can indicate on the right hand side how many of the various cone items I have consumed in a given period of time. You can interactively enter these values directly on the dashboard and visualize the numbers. I submit my inputs and then immediately see them visualized. So I can compare my values easily and quickly. This is made possible by the Writeback extension, which allows me to interact with the displayed data and change it. Of course, there are countless application examples for this. This is just one of many. To create such a form, we used our Tableau Toolbox. This is a web application that runs Java-based and is accessible through the browser. I'm going into my administrator account now. In this logging overview, I can see what happened last. On the left side, I can navigate to the individual components of the toolbox. The Tableau Toolbox also includes the Mail tool, which allows you to conveniently distribute your Tableau reporting. However, As promised, we will now look at the M2 form builder, which is also part of the toolbox. We see here an overview of all active forms that are currently running in our installation. The form for the sustainability dashboard is below. The name of the form is Sustainability Dashboard Demo. Before I show you how this form looks in detail, I'll show you how to create a new form from scratch. To create a new form, I click on the New Form button. Here I have the possibility to choose between a blank form or pre-configured options. The pre-configured forms contain elements that make it easier for you to find your way around. We decided to take a pre-configured form, namely the Comments form. We choose a name for the form, Demo form. You can also select the database driver here. Our 7 supported database types are selectable here. However, we skip this point now and press Finish to create the form. This takes us directly to the form editor. As already mentioned, 4 elements are already pre-selected here. In this case, this is a label, a parameter, a comments box and a button. The button is necessarily. Here I could now add more elements. Or even one of these advanced objects. Once I have done that, I click on Save. Now I can already look at my form. Now this is a very random form. To edit it, I open this text box. The text field should represent a comment field. In the editor, I can define it that the comment field should already contain a default text or not. I decide to enter a default text. Then I click on Save again, go back to the tab with my form and find my predefined comment in the text box here. Then I'll go out of the editor and we'll look at the slightly more specific example. I navigate to the sustainability dashboard I've already created in my overview. I click on Edit and see an overview of my parameters. They reflect what we have seen on the dashboard. Here you can see the different elements. I can also view the form again in preview mode. You can already clearly see that it is the form built into the sustainability dashboard. I could now add more elements or adjust texts, but I do not want to do that now. I'm happy with it and now want to integrate it into my Tableau dashboard. For this, I click on Download Form. Then a download prompt opens. I have already downloaded the form. The file form for Tableau is T-Rex. In my download folder, I see exactly this file. Now, I navigate to my Tableau dashboard, which I have already opened before. What is missing here now is the form. I now add the form by selecting the extension button here at the bottom left and placing it by drag and drop. Then my Add Extension window opens. Here I click on Access Local Extensions. I navigate to my Downloads folder and select the T-Rex file. I am asked if the insertion of the extension is allowed. I confirm this with OK, and now the extension is loaded. Here it can now enter values as usual. When I click on Submit, the dashboard has updated.